Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Sears Outlet slightly imperfect perfect prices. So this is the Sears Outlet. This is the tool section basically. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freights. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. To get to this page, what you do is you go to SearsOutlet.com, and then you go under tools and tool storage. So from home you go to tools and tool storage, and then that's how you get to this page. You can pretty much narrow it down to your brand, like DeWalt, Workshop, Gladiator, Stanley, Craftsman. But I'm just gonna go over what's on top. So just the main stuff. Alright, as we can see, we got chest, Craftsman top chest, 5 drawer, red. It's $62.90. Just remember, guys, a lot of these items, what you do is you click on the item, and then you can buy it online and pick it up at the store. So if there's a store nearby or an item nearby, you can just stop at the store and pick it up. This is the DeWalt 1/4 3/8 drive polished chrome mechanics set for $103.49. Let's click on it. Yeah, it took me out. Okay. So that's the set right there. It does come with 3 ratchets. It looks like it's a nice set. It does come with some Allen wrenches, and then some regular wrenches, long sockets and short sockets. Wow, this does come with a lot of stuff. So it's a well worth it item here. That's the case. And those are the tools. Guess that's it for the pictures. Yeah, that's a nice case for $103.49. It's a good deal. As you can see here, I'm in Glendale, so it gives me the store where I can go pick it up. So you can add it to the cart, pay for it, and go pick it up. Let's see. Let's go back. We got some good deals here. The ones that I liked, this one's the Craftsman 4 drawers. Well, all these are good. You got the Craftsman 2 drawer homeowner middle chest for $41.83 or $93. And then you got I wonder what it takes me all the way down. You got the Craftsman 4 drawer homeowner's rolling card cabinet, $104.84. So this is not gonna be your top of the line Craftsman. This is gonna be your clearance or older items. I'm pretty sure. It's not gonna be the newest thing out there. But these are 2 that work, and they're good brands. DeWalt DWD 115K 8 amp 3/8 inch VSR mid handle grip drill kit with keyless chuck, $50.39. Now this is a great deal for somebody that needs some tools or you want some extra tools just to keep in the truck or take to the junkyard. This is the Stanley SAE and metric drives mechanics tool set, 18 piece 1/4 drive for $6.74. So that's a great deal, guys. So if you guys need a set, there you go. It's a great deal for a Stanley tool. And then we got some more stuff here. Let's see here, forward too. We got a super step stool for $6.29. Craftsman 24 piece reach and access add-on set for $13.49. Let me go over and see if we can look at the pictures. That's the pictures right now. It's not bad. Those are the same items. Top discounts. Okay. We got a laser here for $22.49. Black & Decker and Stanley 20-volt cordless drill. Oh, so you got some Stanley tools and some Black & Decker for $58.49. It's a great deal because you're getting all these tools, and you know all this adds up obviously. And $58 seems to be pretty much just like you're going to be paying for this drill. So you got a Craftsman 40-inch creeper with metal frame, $22.13. It's a nice little creeper. I actually own a Craftsman. Mine's black though. It's the same as this one, but it's black. You got a Black & Decker 20-volt mouse sander with battery, $35.99. You got the Ingersoll Rand 3/8 reversible drill, $40.49. Now I was looking at these; they look pretty decent. And I didn't know DeWalt made these too, or they were never seen a DeWalt ratcheting wrench before. So these are DeWalt's SAE ratcheting flex head combination wrench set, 7-piece for $35.99. Not a bad deal. Alright, got the Craftsman 26-inch 3-drawer standard duty top chest, black, $58.49. Let's see, it took me back. You get a power built 101 piece SAE metric socket set mechanics, $44.54. You got a DeWalt, that's the same as the one on the top. That's the same. Is that the same as this one? Yeah, this one's the 82 piece. It's even cheaper than this. What? Comes in the nice case there. Okay. We got power build. Oh yeah, this is power build. The other one's Craftsman. Power build 82 piece SAE metric socket set mechanics tool set for $40.49. Keeps taking me back. I don't like that. We got Ingersoll Rand cut off 45 off tool, $31.49. You got a 123 piece heavy duty carbon. I'm gonna go, yeah, go like that. 123 heavy duty carbon steel tool set with case, $22.49. DeWalt's 9-piece SAE combination wrench set for $31.49. I think the other ones are better. The ratcheting wrenches, they're actually $35. So you got a Craftsman 320 piece mechanics tool set for $169.93. Black & Decker 20-volt max lithium drill driver for $71.99, and then it does include another battery in the case. Pretty sure it includes the charger too. Craftsman 12-piece laser impact socket accessory, $32.39. Craftsman extreme grip 2-piece adjustable wrench set for $32.39. It's for the garage door. Craftsman extreme grip 10-piece diamond screwdriver, $32.29 for that. And then you got the Craftsman extreme grip 5-piece wrench set. Looks nice. $24.88. Yeah, that's the same stuff. All right, let's look at see if we get anything different here. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff here. It's a workshop clamp, $179. Let's see if it's a nice tool. Workshop precision screwdriver set for 6-piece, $179. That's not a bad deal. You got a workshop hex key 14-piece set, $269. It's a nice one. Nut driver for $269. Wow, that's a great deal. Yeah, it says I can pick it up in a store in Phoenix. So that's a great deal. Might just pick it up. You got let's see here. You got some workshop pick and hook set, 4-piece, $359. Workshop adapter, power socket, $359. You got a lot of stuff here. Speed square. Some more screwdrivers. Pry bar. Tie downs. Diagonal cutter, 7-inch, $449. This looks like a Harbor Freight light. Yeah, if you look around, definitely you can find some great stuff. Some motion security, dual security lights, $629. Workshop mechanic pry bar, 2-piece set, $719. American Builder, 26-piece homeowners portable tool bag, I guess, for $8.09. Workshop 11-piece 3/8 drill drive socket set, SAE, $8.99. Got a pipe wrench, a tool bag. Black & Decker 4-volt max cordless screwdriver, $25. 123-piece heavy-duty carbon steel set with case, $22.49. You got a Black & Decker 8-volt cordless drill for $22.04. Stanley tool set, 51-piece, $22. You got Stanley 28-piece mechanics tool set, $17.99. So if you need something for the truck, there you go. Oh, this is a rechargeable light. CJ Tech 10-watt rechargeable work light for $17.99. You got American Builder 2-in-1 portable air compressor for $13.49. Prime wire. Black & Decker 46-piece drilling and screwdriver set, $15.74. A vacuum for $10. Yeah. Fine auto portable red and wet dry auto 12 volts vacuum. So this connects to your cigarette lighter for $10.79. Got a Stanley 10-piece matte electric combination wrench set, $10.79. It's not a bad deal. Wow, there's a lot of great deals here. You got a drill here. Black & Decker drill. 20 volt max. $35.99. That's the Power Built 82-piece. Power Built 101 piece SAE metric socket set. $44.54. Same thing, that's a good deal. Yeah, guys, if you guys ever need tools, Sears is a good place to get them, especially on the Sears Outlet. You got a DeWalt 74-piece black chrome mechanics tool set for $53.99. You got a 15-gallon compressor, oil lubricated air compressor, $224. You got some sockets, individual sockets. So if you're missing that one, you can just get your own socket there. See here, let's go to the top. See what we get. We got some more sockets. What is this max? Let's see if we got some sockets. Yeah. Flashlight there, more sockets. I wonder if they have the 10mm. You know, that's probably the one that everybody wants. The 10mm. They're probably out of them already. Oh, there it is. Here you go. $2.15. Craftsman, 10mm 1/4 drive, easy to read sockets. There you go. So they do have that missing 10mm. They even have impact. Nice. More sockets. Tape measure. Yep. Alright guys, well that's it. This video is gonna take forever if I go over all these tools, but you can do that on your own. Just go to SearsOutlet.com, and after you go to that, just go to tools and tool storage, and you'll see this page. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.